New Zealand, what is the first thing that comes up in your mind? I'll tell you what, wind! I am currently in Piha, and here's where I'm going to spend the second night. Just arrived in Auckland yesterday. Considering I haven't been yet, down here on the beach, looking at the Tasman Sea. Tell you what, the force of the ocean, the energy. It's very spectacular. I forgot having lunch today. I'm pretty starving at the moment. Let's go back to the van. We can have a little bit of a feed. Very windy up there. I saw camping before, so I'm gonna move back there, and then I'll probably have lunch and set up camp. Yesterday night I just had a little bit of a freedom camping, and but tonight I would like to get connected to the power as well. So let's go back, have some lunch, and camp for the night. For tonight I decided to camp at the Piha campground. I decided to pay for a powered campsite. They charged me about $25 for it. I think it's because it's low season as well. You just need basically to book online, ring the bell at the reception, they're gonna look after you. It's pretty nice, it's all green, plenty of flat area where you can park or camp with the tent. The ocean is just here 100 meters far away. And in this camper van in particular, I don't have the heater on, but I brought from Australia, I brought the electric blanket which I can plug in a 12-volt socket. At the moment, at this time of the year, I think it's not particularly cold. The good thing about the campsite is obviously that I've got toilet and shower, hot shower, which I don't have with this van. I have the toilet with me, which I haven't used it yet. I managed to use public facilities for the moment in the last day and a half. But tonight I decided to add a little bit more comfort to my trip. I didn't have lunch yet. I think I'm gonna pass for today. I'm gonna start cooking dinner soon. I can use a 240 plug socket in the van because I'm plugged to the power up campsite. So I'm just gonna chill for the night. I'm gonna turn the computer on. I'm gonna watch some videos on YouTube, and I might start editing this video too, because I'm using a new, I bought for the first time my first GoPro. It's the GoPro 8 Black, and it's working fine for the moment, especially for my skills. I don't need anything else other than this. I will see in the future anyway. I was thinking to fly the drone. Am I able to do it tomorrow morning and put some footage in this video? But it's very windy. I don't want to lose it. Anyway, time to cook a meal, have a nice and warm shower, get ready for the night. See you tomorrow. Macho. I'm having company this morning. I'm going now for the Tasman Lookout walk. Shouldn't be too far away. Let's see how we go. I'm just using the I'm just using the guide I got from the airport. The plan for I just came back to Auckland to a dumping point to drop all the grey water from the tank, so I'm gonna be a little bit lighter now. The plan is for today to drive up north and reach up Whangarei. No idea how long is it gonna take, but it says 168 kilometers from here, from Auckland, and 2 hours and a half. Let's go.